channel. I'm Morgan Monet. In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys the best Louis Vuitton bags and SLGs for moms. Yes! So it doesn't matter if you are a mother who has already raised your children, or if you are a new mom or an expecting mom. I really think that these handbags would be perfect in your luxury collection. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, welcome. I typically create content around luxury accessories such as handbags or SLGs. So if you like that type of content as well, and if you feel like it's imperative that we normalize luxury, then go on ahead and hit the red button below and subscribe to my channel. All right, you guys, let's get started. Oops, there is one more thing, you guys. My favorite contemporary jewelry brand, Ana Luisa, is having a 15% off Mother's Day sale. You guys, this is such a major win, especially knowing that majority of their items fall under the $40 price point. So a 15% off sale is a major win. I'm so excited to be sharing this link with you guys down below. I currently have on a pair of their earrings and a necklace. The camera is not doing them justice, so I will be sure to link these items down below. Also, if you shop before the May 5th time frame, then they guarantee that you will receive your items in time for Mother's Day. Even if you don't want to shop for mom, shoot, shop for yourself. I'm going to show you guys two of the items that I am going to gift my mother, just so that you can get a little vibe of what they have out there. I think that these hoop earrings are so gorgeous. I'll also link these items down below as well, but go on ahead, check that link out and receive 15% off your next jewelry purchase for mom or yourself for Mother's Day. All right, you guys, let's really get into this video. The first category that I'm going to start out with is small leather goods, or SLGs. These items are perfect for moms to have in their collection. And the first one is this beautiful LockMe card holder in the beautiful rose ballerine color. And I love that it has the silver LV detailing. You guys, not only does this scream feminine, but for the mom who just likes to carry her license, some cash, and be able to slip something into her back pocket, this card holder is perfect for you. It has a pocket in the front, a middle pocket, and also a pocket in the back, and it is perfect for just carrying the essentials. This actually comes in multiple different colors, so let's say your mom doesn't like the color pink, or let's say you as a mom don't like the color pink. They have various different color options for you to choose from. The second SLG that would be perfect for moms is the Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet. I have it in the Damier Ebene canvas. If you are looking for something that is easy to use and carries a ton of stuff, then the Zippy wallet is the perfect wallet for you. It's called the Zippy because you literally just zip it open, and it has 6 card slots on both sides. It is an accordion style wallet, and it even has an area for you to carry your cash, for you to place a checkbook or receipts, and it even holds change. You guys, I love this wallet because it's just so easy to get in and out of, and sometimes that's just like what I need. I would also say that if you want something a little bit bigger than this, then you can also look into the Zippy organizer. It's a little bit larger and it does fit most cell phones. I have done an in-depth review on this long wallet from Louis, as well as the Sarah wallet. So if you want to check that video out just to get more details around this guy, then I will definitely link it both below and above. But again, ladies, if you want a very easy and simple wallet in your collection, the Zippy wallet is the perfect wallet for you. The last SLG suggestion I have for you moms would have to be the Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch in the 26 centimeter size. This bag is the perfect catch-all to have in one of your larger bags, mainly because the interior has a coated material that allows you to easily clean the inside of this bag. So if you want to maybe have band-aids, baby wipes, diapers, hand sanitizer, snacks, all of those items can easily fit on the inside, and if something were to spill, it's very easy to clean this item. I also love the fact that you can turn this guy into a clutch if you want to, slip it under your arm, carry it, up at the top. It's just so versatile, and I think that's what I love the most about it. It is truly a single zip to close it, and again, a perfect type of catch-all. I have a full in-depth review on this item as well, so I can link that both above and below if you want a little bit more details around this item. One of the Louis Vuitton handbags that I would recommend for moms would have to be the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. You guys, this is my favorite Louis Vuitton bag and also one of my favorite crossbody bags. So for those moms who are looking to have a hands-free option, look no further than the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. Some of my favorite features about this bag would have to be the back pocket, perfect for sliding your cell phone in and out of, as well as this top strap or top handle. It's perfect for being able to quickly grab the bag in and out of the car. And I also love that on the interior, you do have 3 pocket options, which are perfect for carrying a larger wallet, carrying snacks, and even carrying like various different little items. I have a full in-depth review on this bag on my channel that I will link above and below as always. And I would be remiss if I did not call out this crossbody strap that comes with the bag. I love it because it has these different rivets, which makes it adjustable so that you can adjust the crossbody bag to your specific length. So if you want it longer, you can make it longer. If you want it shorter, you can definitely make it shorter. But in my opinion, this is going to be the perfect hands-free option for mom. The last Louis Vuitton handbag that I would suggest any mom to have in her collection, hands down, is going to be the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. And I am showing you guys both the MM and the GM size, just in case, your specific needs or wants differ. It is a traditional tote bag, and on the inside, it's all open. This is the Neverfull MM in the Damier Azure canvas. It is a little bit smaller, but if you just want to carry this bag as a true diaper bag, diapers, wipes, bottles, etc., I think that this is the perfect size if you have, 1 or maybe 2 kids. If you're looking for something that's a little bit bigger, then I would suggest the Louis Vuitton GM. This is in the Damier Ebene canvas, but it's called GM for Grande for a reason. The interior of this bag is humongous, and I know for a fact that it could fit all of the baby's essentials as well as your essentials as a mom. I personally use this bag to travel with as a carry-on, and it fits all of my stuff and then some. So I think it's just up to your personal opinion on which size you would want to go with. I actually have another video that details out the size comparisons of these 2 bags. So again, I'll link that both above and below. But if you're looking just for an everyday bag and a upscale diaper bag, look no further than the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to check the link below to receive 15% off your next Anna Luisa purchase. You guys, their jewelry is amazing for moms, for yourself, or any type of special loved one that you have out there. So go on ahead, check the link out, receive 15% off, and I guarantee that you're going to love the jewelry. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. And to all the moms out there, happy Mother's Day. All right, you guys. Bye.